Good morning, guys. My name is Singh, and I'm bringing you insights for the euro, gold, and Nasdaq for today. And so there's no impact news today, no medium impact news, just low impact news and just no impact news. Mostly from the eurozone and also dollar. As considering this, not expecting this to move the market much, so there's not much to look at on our shoulder. Um, just be careful a little bit. It's been a roller coaster of a market. So very quickly, let's move to the euro. We had a bearish print against yesterday, and we broke that low. Yes, this low that I said we made, which is quite expected. The euro futures already made that low. On 1 hour right now, we are bearish, like we are extremely bearish. I wanted to sell this candle yesterday, but I was looking at the KMI numbers. The first one released for yesterday was actually good for the euro. So this one from the French zone. But the German one was not good. I would have shorted it, but I like to put a 15 minutes break between my shorting the candles. And by the time my 15 minutes break was over, this 8:30 candle, it was here. And I couldn't bring myself to even short here and put my stop loss here. Because my anticipation was the fact that we may just take the previous week's low and start reacting a little bit before we go, not knowing that we're going to just dash down like this. So I didn't get that trade yesterday. So good, no euro trade. The euro this morning, I actually traded this morning around here. So I was trading the low volume node and few up together. And this trade actually ended up breaking, not in profit, because I was actually I backtested this setup where we have a cross of previous 1 hour high after a retest of low volume node. And there's a low volume node region here. And I was looking for the cross, and this 5 minutes candle came in. And I longed here. I longed somewhere around, no, not somewhere around, along with this candle, this 5 minutes candle. But then we started reacting to the upside and claiming back above this. And I closed 80% of my position, let 20% run. 20% actually later put me back in break even. And when I mean break even, just a little bit of profit, anything less than 1 hour is a break even for me. So you see that here. This is the initial close of 80%. And then this one put me in a little bit of profit, just very minor profit this morning. So I don't count it as a profit, I count it as a break-even trade. So not looking to short the euro again yet this morning. I'll just wait for that. The interesting one will be gold this morning. I've been tracking this gold short for a while. I lost money on it yesterday. I was actually profitable. I was actually break-even on the first trade I took, and I lost money on the second one. And so gold is also bearish. I just trading downward on most of all assets right now. And the 1 hour on gold, you have this push back up. And I was actually expecting this one to also use a reaction from VWAP here, but we didn't get it. And now we're trading above VWAP. VWAP is holding price quite nicely. We just need to cross VWAP down to the downside right now, and I'll be willing to trade. So perhaps a 9 o'clock candlestick trade will be okay. Not looking to trade this high 8 o'clock candle. We've already seemed to establish a base above our VWAP right now, although we can't claim above previous year's low. So a trade above below VWAP will actually be in picture for this one, somewhere around here at around 40.80 with the perhaps around 40.82. I believe 82 is even a better price right now. Stock will be at around 98. That will be if you want to short now, but this is not my trade. I'm going to wait and look for some other candlestick combination so I can get a better entry. Around 40.50 will be a good target. It will be 1:1.97 trade. But mostly just watch the closes above below VWAP and see if we have right here. May even be willing to trade with this 8 o'clock candle if we close below VWAP and we do have signs of acceleration below. So that is my idea. And although please note that I like to trade 15-minute swing only. I don't like to trade any other. So as we are right here, I'm not looking to trade. Look at my trade here. This is a 15-minute swing high, and then I trade continuation. So here I'll be looking for a 15-minute swing that is closing below or perhaps a continuation below. That is exactly what I'm going to be looking for. So although my execution in 5 minutes, please be careful, be aware, not the 15 minutes. I'm actually executing on the 5 minutes, and I monitor the trade and know when to close 80% and leave 20% on the board just to recover my, just to break even. If in case the trade starts going quickly against me. So for Nasdaq right here, Nasdaq is also bearish. Yesterday was a very bearish day. We had a very close. I was looking for sell recession, but I didn't get that. And right now we are trading below previous week's low, although we have had a decent bit of retracement this morning. And this is actually good. We have not taken out previous day's low on Nasdaq, which is actually very good. So the session trade idea will be for a trade for the previous day's low if we haven't reached that within the day. So mostly we are trading above VWAP on this one as well. One thing I have to do is check the VWAP level because volume on this the chart is not confirmed. So I'll just check the NQ1 and see where the VWAP is almost at the same place as well. So a trade below VWAP should be in view. If we can hold these prices before it starts going down and stick around the weekly VPOC, that would be very good. So that is it for this morning, guys. Good morning, good luck and good trade. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now. And today is my birthday. It is my birthday. I should have, I'm thinking about um, sharing something, but I don't know. I have to add something to my playbook right now due to the trade I took this morning that didn't work. I need to add something. I saw something in the trade that could have ended up putting me in big profit, but that I missed. You can see I work on my playbook every day, and this is just the playbook for June. So look and good this trade, guys. Don't forget, don't give up. Try your best. It's going to be a wonderful time. Bye for now.